my god, it's finally here! So like, I just got off work. My face is a whole day's worth of foundation and concealer crumbling off, so I'm sorry that my complexion isn't perfect today, but I just couldn't wait to film this video. The past few weeks, I'm not even kidding, weeks, I've had people ask me, Savannah, what did you get in your Ipsy this month? And I've had to respond to them, I don't fucking know! Because for some reason, everyone got their Ipsy before I did. And I'm a little perturbed about it. But it's finally here. Not only that though, this is the second Ipsy package I've gotten that's retaped. Like someone opened it and then taped it back up. Like what? Ipsy, what? What are you doing? The last time this happened, when Ipsy got to me late, the same thing was going on. Like it's like they forgot to put something in my bag and then took forever to ship it to me. Dude, I don't know, but I don't know why they're always forgetting my crap. And I realized that you can go online and see your glam bag ahead of time. And I usually do like the day of, like the 5th of the month, I think they usually post it. But by the time I actually get it, I don't remember what I'm getting. So when people ask me what I get, I don't really know until I open it up because I'm like, oh, I think I'm getting this. I think the website said I'm getting this, but I never fucking remember. Anyway, I haven't opened this yet, but look at how easy this is opening because someone just taped it back shut. Like, what? Ipsy! I hope I'm pleasantly surprised. First of all, on the outside, we have new sheet masks! Ah! You know I love sheet masks, although I never try them on camera. These are by BioRepublic Skincare. One is Aloe Rescue and one is Pomegranate Crush. Just know I have these and I'm excited for them. Now, also on the inside of this bag, I have this. This is the Honey Banana Mask Pack. Does that mean there's extras in here? Like there's more than one? Oh no, it just says one mask. Okay, well, regardless, this was one of those extras, like you know how if you review your Ipsy, you get points and all that, and then you can redeem them for free stuff. I'm pretty sure that's what this was. Although I feel like I redeemed it like 2 months ago, so now it's finally here. But okay, so I'm like rolling in masks galore, this Ipsy package, so not that that's a bad thing. And now we have the actual bag. I want to get this close to the camera so you can like hear this. Here's some ASMR for you. No, but for real, so it's like actually like really squishy, spongy. It obviously looks really athletic. The material's spongy. I could squeeze this all day. Inside the bag, first thing I'm finding here is the Be Fine Food Skincare. This is an exfoliating cleanser with brown sugar, sweet almond, and oats. So like it's made out of food. Is that what that means? I don't know. Another product this month that so far I'm not gonna be able to try on camera today, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand. Ooh, I mean, there's definitely honey in this, you can tell. It's got little beads in it. I mean, there has to be honey in this. Brown sugar, sweet almond, and oats. It doesn't really smell like anything, which I guess is fine. I don't know, I'm excited to try this out. I'm always excited to try whatever Ipsy sends me as far as skincare goes. I always end up using all of it no matter what they send me, so here's just another thing for me to try, so that's great. Next, we have this really pretty looking sparkly brush. Gosh, it has little jewels on it. This is gonna make me feel like a damn princess. I'm gonna have to look online and see what the name of this brand is because it's in like weird cursive. Not that I can't read cursive, but this cursive is just weird. And I don't know what it says. But either way, it's an Illuminator brush for sure. So, I mean, this is a brush that I actually don't have. What I use for my highlight right now is a lot bigger than this. But you always see the ones, you know, where it's not that big. And those are the ones that really pack it on. I mean, this seems like the perfect size. So I'm really, really excited to have one of these and to try this out today. And also, the sparkles and the jewels are not a bad thing. I actually quite like them. This is the brush for me. Now, to go along with that Illuminator brush, it looks like we have a highlighter. This is by the Balm. It's called the Mary Luminizer. So the thing about the Balm is every time they send in a sample with Ipsy, it's always so small. I mean, do you see the size of this? They've sent me a few really great products though in the past that I've used to pan. So I love everything they send me. I just wish the sample sizes were bigger. But anyway, we can look at this together. Very pretty. Let's swatch it. I've kind of fallen in love with light gold highlights lately. I don't know why. I just started getting them and I love them. That's very pretty. I actually feel like this is perfect for my skin tone. It's going to look so nice. I can't wait to try it with that new brush. And then the last thing in here, this is Fierce Flicks by Ciate London. It looks like a liquid eyeliner. which is great because I was kind of running out of it. So let's try to open this up here. Okay, this took me way too long to get out of the packaging. I don't know if I just got defective plastic, but there wasn't perforations to tear down. I had to like peel it off bit by bit. That was stupid. But anyway, I got it out. So it's got a felt tip. I like felt tips. Nice, very nice. So basically the only things we have to try today are these. So we have this liquid eyeliner and then this illuminator and the brush to go with it. Another Ipsy bag where I don't have much to try on for you and to try to create a look with. I'm mostly excited for the highlight, but I'm always excited for highlights. So looking at the brush, it doesn't really look like it's picking much up, but maybe I'm just, I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, ooh, guys, okay, this might be my new favorite highlighter. Yes, honey, this highlight is everything. and this brush is kind of everything I've ever wanted in a highlighting brush. I'm so happy with this. This is probably the first time in a few months where I've been happy with what Ipsy sent me so far. We're gonna try that liquid eyeliner and see where it gets us. I'm still wearing some like crappy mascara from work, so don't mind me. Okay, so for this eyeliner, I'm not hating on the formula. The formula actually is probably pretty nice. It seems smudge proof. It's not going anywhere. However, I have a problem with this applicator. It's very stiff. I've had felt tip liners, like for example, the Kat Von D liner, where it's a felt tip, but it still glides really nice. This dried out within one like wing. So then I had to like put the cap back on and shake it and, you know, try to get it back to be able to do this wing. And I feel like with a brand new liquid eyeliner, you shouldn't have to do that, but apparently with this one you do. Is this my favorite liquid eyeliner ever? No. I'll still use it. I will use it until it's gone because, you know, it seems like it's pretty fast drying and it's not going anywhere. So that's great, and it also doesn't feel like thick or anything. The formula is comparable to Kat Von D, where you can't feel it on your eye, like it's there, but like you can't feel it at all, and it's not going anywhere. So that's great. I just wish that the felt tip was different. So that is everything in my Ipsy bag this month. I'm actually thoroughly pleased with my Ipsy bag this month. Last month, I'm pretty sure I said I was the most disappointed I had ever been with Ipsy. This month, I feel like they redeemed themselves with products that I'm actually going to use. Like nothing gimmicky. I just feel like I'm content with what they sent me. It makes me happy to be an Ipsy subscriber this month. Some months they kind of let me down. This month I feel like everything they sent me was worth the $10 you spend for it. That's it. I'm happy with Ipsy this month. Yay! Thank you for watching. Next week we will be having a BoxyCharm unboxing. So excited. I'm always so excited for BoxyCharm. I have it with me now, so I'm actually gonna film it right after I'm done doing this video because I just can't wait to see what's inside of it, but you'll have to wait till next week to see what I got in my BoxyCharm. So, but anyway, I will see you then. Bye!